Here we are pressure washing a really poor drainage entryway of this condo. And you can see we just surface cleaned it with this tool here. And we have a reclaim here. This drain, there's no drain here. This would have been a 3-inch puddle of water. But we have our reclaim system. I'm gonna follow this hose through this garden bed to this flatbed truck. We have a reclaim system. And it's pumping the water into that flower bed there where it's, safe and not going into the stormwater system and, with all the dirty water. And this is the truck that's pressure washing. And we got a flatbed F350, hot water skid and a portable on it. Just building this truck. But yeah, we're here, we're cleaning, and Chinook Services is your go-to company for homeowner association, commercial. We do Walmart, Fred Meyer's, we do all the big box stores, homeowner associations, and we're set up to be compliant. Give us a call today, 425-290-8635 or jay@chinookservices.com. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching our video here. And yeah, have a great day.